Good morning, everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn about the interface of MS Word. In your computer textbook, it is lesson number 3, and it is all about MS Word 2010. But right now, we are using an advanced version of MS Word. First of all, let me tell you how to open this MS Word application. In order to open this Word application, the simple way is you have to click on this search box and there you have to type Word, W-O-R-D, Word. Then it will give you some suggestions. Among the suggestions, we can see the first one, Word, App. You just click here. And then you have to choose this blank document. So this is the Word interface. Here we can work with Word. I will close this one. I repeat, the simple way to open Word is you have to click on the search box and there you have to type Word, W-O-R-D, Word. And here you have to click on this Word app application. And then blank document. In order to close this one, you have to click on this into button. There are few more ways to open Word. The second way is in keyboard. I repeat, in the keyboard you have to press the Window key plus R key. Then the run command will appear. There you have to type WinWord, W-I-N-W-O-R-D, Word, WinWord, and simply press enter key. Again blank document. This is the second way. I repeat, Window key plus R key, it opens run command. There you have to type WinWord, W-I-N-W-O-R-D, Word, WinWord, and then blank document. This is the second way. And one more way is there, that is, you simply right click on the desktop. I can say right click on the free space of the desktop. Here we have icons. And here we have taskbar and tray icons, notification area. You should not right click here, or you should not right click here or here. You can click anywhere here on the free space of the desktop. And you have to choose new. There you have to select Microsoft Word document. There you have to give a name. Enter, enter. Twice you have to press the enter key. I repeat, right click on the free space of the desktop, select new. There you have to select Microsoft Word document. There you have to choose a file name, enter, enter. So these are the 3 most popular ways to open MS Word. So I'm deleting this one. Among all the ways, I like and I love to open Word in shortcut way. Window key plus R, WinWord. Blank document. Okay. So let us see the version of the Word application. What is the version we are using? In your textbook, it is clearly given like MS Word 2010. Let us see the version. I am clicking on this file and account. I'm clicking on account. There you can see Office product activated Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021. 2021 is the version which we are using right now, right? So in your textbook it is 2010 and we are using 2021. This is the latest version. Okay, I'm closing this one. Fine. Window key plus R key and WinWord. So the first thing we have to learn here is the components of MS Word. The components of MS Word window. So this is called Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access. In this Quick Access Toolbar, we have few commands like undo, redo, save. And if you want to change them, you can change them also. This is what? Quick access toolbar. And then this is called title bar. This is called what? Title bar. Why it is known as title bar? Why? Because whatever the title you give to the document, the same title or the same name will be displayed here. That's why it is known as title bar. Let me tell you. I am writing some text here. I want to get some text. There is a shortcut way to get some text. To input some text in the Word document, we have a command that is equals to RAND left parenthesis and right parenthesis. I'm making it zoom, a little bit zoom for you. Okay, equals to rand left parenthesis and right parenthesis. I'm making it zoom here also. Okay, if you press the enter key, you can get some text here. You can get some text. I'm selecting it, select all. I'm reducing the size. So here I got some text. Okay, as well as I'm reducing the zoom also. So here I got some text. So I want to save this document. I want to save this document. In order to save this document, you can click on this file menu and then you can choose either save or save as. Then it is asking you for the location. I'm clicking on this PC, desktop. There I want to save this one with a name called Samskar. Save. See, the name I have given for this document is Samskar. The same name is displaying here. That's why it is called as title bar. And this entire thing is called what? Ribbon. This entire thing is called what? Ribbon. This ribbon is divided into tabs like home tab, insert tab, design tab, layout tab, references, mailings, review, view, help. All these are tabs. And each and every tab is divided into groups. If you click on this home tab, you can see clipboard group. This is clipboard group. The name is clearly given. Font group, paragraph group, styles group, editing group. And each and every group have a list of commands or options, we can say. In clipboard group, we have commands like cut, copy, paste, format painter. In font group, we have options like bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, superscript, etc. Right? This is called what? Ribbon. This entire thing is called what? Ribbon. And this is horizontal roller. Horizontal roller. And this is vertical roller. Vertical roller, horizontal roller. Next. And at the bottom we can see the status bar. See, page 1 of 1, 239 words, which means a total of 239 words are there in this document. See, I am removing this word document here. Now it became 238. Previously it is 239. Now it is 238. Why? Because we have deleted a word. I am erasing one more word, 237. I want to make it 230. It's 230 now. Right? Next. This is status bar. In status bar, we can see these zoom options also available. The zoom option is also available, and different view options, reading layout view, print layout view, web layout view, different viewing options also available in the status bar. So this is called what? Status bar. And this is our work area. This white, whatever the white space we can see here, this is called what? Our work area. This is our work area. And here you can see this is vertical scroll bar. This is what? Vertical scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar. Don't get confused between vertical scroll bar and vertical roller. This is vertical roller and this is vertical scroll bar. And if I make it a little bit bigger, like I want to zoom it, then I got here a horizontal scroll bar also. This is a horizontal scroll bar. This is a horizontal scroll bar. If you reduce the zoom level, you won't see this horizontal scroll bar. So still we can see the horizontal scroll bar. I'm reducing it. Now can you see the horizontal scroll bar? No. No. Okay, now we can see this one, horizontal scroll bar. See, this is horizontal scroll bar, horizontal roller, vertical scroll bar, vertical roller, right? And finally, we all know that this is minimize button, this is maximize or restore down button, and this is close button. Minimize, maximize or restore down, and close buttons, right? So these are the main components of Word 2021. So I'm closing this one. Don't save. Again, I want to open window key plus R, WinWord, enter. Blank document. I'm choosing this blank document. So I'm reducing the zoom level. Okay, this much zoom is enough for me. So here I want to insert some text. Insert some text. Hello world. Hello world. Welcome to computer class. Hello world, welcome to computer class. So here I have inserted some text. And you know what? This particular blinking vertical line, a blinking vertical line is there right here. Can you see? This blinking vertical line is known as cursor or insertion point. This is called what? Cursor or insertion point. Why it is known as insertion point? Why? Because wherever the cursor is, whatever you type, whatever the text data you type, everything will start typing from there. If suppose I have placed the cursor here, so the cursor is now here. If I type something, that will appear there. That's why it is known as insertion point or cursor. So let us see how to select text using a mouse. In order to select text using a mouse, you need to click and drag the left mouse button of the mouse. You need to click and drag the left mouse button of the mouse. Then it will be selected. I repeat, you have to place the mouse pointer here. You have to click and drag the left mouse button of the mouse. Then it will be selected. So this is the way to select the text. If suppose you want to select the entire text complete, you can click on this select and click on select all, so that everything will be selected. But if you want to select a specific word or a sentence or a paragraph, you have to click and drag. Click and drag. Click and drag to select the text. So let us see how to cut or copy some text and how to paste it. So here I want to select this entire text. I'm clicking and dragging it and I have selected it, and now I want to cut this one. There is a difference between cut and copy. There is a difference between cut and copy. Let me show you. If I select this cut option, whatever the data I have typed here, it has just disappeared. It has just disappeared. It's gone. Only after pasting it, here we can see a pad and paper, that is the paste icon. Only after pasting the data, I can see the data again. I repeat, I have selected the text and I am clicking on this cut option. As soon as I clicked on the cut option, whatever the data available on the screen, it has just disappeared. And after clicking on this paste option, it appeared again. If suppose I have selected this copy option, again I am selecting the text and I am selecting the copy option, and I have placed the cursor here down, and I am pasting it. So if you copy the content, if you copy the text, the copied content will be available in the source and at the destination also. From here we have copied and here we have pasted. So this is the source and this is the destination, and the data is available in both source and destination. From where we have copied, the data is available there, and to where we have copied, the data is available there also. From source and to the destination, the data is available in both the places. If suppose I will select it and I will cut it, it won't be available in the source, only it will be available in the destination where we have pasted it. So simply we can say cutting is nothing but moving. Cutting is nothing but moving. Select all, cut. I am clicking here. I have placed the cursor here. I am clicking on paste, and you can see the same data is moved. The same data is moved from here to here. This is what cut, copy, and paste. Right? Next. Undo and redo options. Undo. What do you mean by undo and what do you mean by redo? So, if you want to go back, if you want to go one step back means you don't want to paste this one. Control Z. You don't want to cut that one. Control Z. Control Z. So, I have taken some spaces, that's why it's going back. See, the cursor is going back. Control Z. We are moving back. Whatever we have done till now, everything can be visible. That's all. And if you press Ctrl plus Y means redo. Hello world. Welcome to computer class, Ganesh. Whatever we have done till now, everything is repeating now. And this is pasting is repeating. The pasting mode is repeating again and again. And if you press Ctrl plus Z, you can go to the previous steps. Okay? This is undo and redo. If you want to move one step back, then we can use Ctrl plus Z, that is undo. And if you want to move one step forward, then we can use this Ctrl plus Y, that is redo. And then let us insert some text here so that we can use this find and replace option. Find and replace option. So I told you already, I'm just a little bit zooming it. If I press this equals to rand, left parenthesis and right parenthesis, and if I press enter key, I can get some text here. Now I want to find some particular text in the document. So for that, I'm going to this find option, and here a navigation window, a navigation panel has appeared. There I want to search for click, C-L-I-C-K, click. So clearly it is highlighting click. Wherever we can find the click, everything is, wherever the word click is there, the click word is highlighted in blue color. Now I want to replace this word click with a word called kick. Okay, so for that I'm clicking on this replace option. So find what? Click. Replace with kick, K-I-C-K, kick. So if I click on this replace option, see, this one will be replaced, kick. See, can you see kick here? And now this one will be replaced, right? Now this one will be replaced. If you want to replace all with a single click, then we can use this replace all option. So all done, we made 3 replacements. So this is what find and replace options. Now again I want to replace this kick word with click. So again you can go to replace, find what, there you have to type kick. Kick, replace with click, click, click. Replace all, 6 replacements. Okay, close. Now this is click here. This is what? Find and replace. This is what? Find and replace options. And let us learn about the spelling and grammar. This is a very, very important option. Spelling and grammar. Let me come down. So here I am writing some text like good morning all. My name is Ganesh. That's all. That's all. If you closely observe the text, I am making it a little bit bigger. Zoom. I'm making it zoom. If you closely observe this line, this word morning, the spelling is wrong, and a red color designed underline is there. My name is Ganesh. The name spelling is also wrong, and there is a underline here also. If you simply right click here, it is giving some suggestions like morning and mining. So I wanted to type morning and I forgot to type O. So this is the right suggestion. That's why I am clicking here. Immediately the red color designed underline, it has disappeared, and at the same time the spelling is correct now. Right click, name, man, num, none, am, different suggestions are giving. I want to choose this name. So it is clear that whenever you get this red color underline, this red color underline indicates that there is a spelling mistake in the word. There is a spelling mistake in the word. Okay, let us redo this one. My name is Ganesh and I am from Balaga. I am from Balaga. But here if you observe, Balaga is a noun. That's why I am placing capital B. Even though I have placed with the capital B, the red color underline is not disappearing. We all know that the spelling of Balaga is right, correct only. Balaga. But the red color underline is not disappearing from there. The reason is it is a local word. In generally, this spelling and grammar checking option will find the mistakes in the English words only. In the English words only. If you give wrong spellings or correct spellings of the local names, then it won't identify. Balaga, forget about the Balaga, and I am typing Srikakulam here. Srikakulam. See, previously I used this word Srikakulam and this word Ganesh very much. Previously I used, and most of the times I used to ignore the mistake. That's why there is no underline just under this Ganesh word or Srikakulam word. And again I am typing here like Telangana. No underline. Andhra, no underline. And I will type here like Kodi. Ramamurthy, Kodi Ramamurthy. Stadium, road, Samskar. So Samskar, we got an underline here. International, school, no underlines. Very few words are getting underlines. If I type Gandhi, Nehru, Subhash, Chandra Bose, Gidugu, Gidugu, Ramamurthy Pantulu. See, the spelling is right. So we have to, if you want to remove this red colored underline, simply right click here and select ignore all, or you can add to dictionary also. If you add this word to dictionary, whenever you type this Balaga word, it won't give you any underline. I repeat, if you ignore all, it will be ignored. Again, if you type this Balaga, we have just pressed the ignore all option. That's why no underline for this Balaga. If you add it to the dictionary, not only in MS Word, if you type the word in Excel, PowerPoint, wherever you type, no underline will come. Let me show you. I'm just opening PowerPoint, Power PNT, Balaga. Here I'm typing Balaga. No underline is here. Here underline is there. So you have to right click here, and we have to right click and select ignore all. Then it will be ignored. Again, if I type Balaga, no underline is there. Balaga, no underline is there. Right? If suppose I'm closing this PowerPoint, and here I am right clicking on Samskar, and I'm adding it to the dictionary. Add to dictionary. I have selected what? I have selected add to dictionary. Now I'm opening PowerPoint again, and here I am writing Samskar. No underline. Why? Because we have added this word Samskar to the dictionary, so that whenever and wherever you use this word Samskar in MS Office, either it is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Axis, Outlook, wherever you type this word Samskar, it won't give you any underline. Why? Because we have added it to the dictionary. If you ignore it, see, I am typing Balaga here. If you ignore it, or if you press ignore all, it will give you underline. For this word Balaga, we have selected ignore all option. That's why when I type this Balaga word in PowerPoint, it is giving a red color underline. But coming to Samskar, I have added it to the dictionary. So whenever I type this Samskar word, it won't give you any underline. Why? Because we have added this word Samskar to the dictionary. Right? Close this one. Don't save. Right? Gidugu, ignore all. Pantulu, Pantli, just ignore all. Right? This is all about spelling and grammar. So we have learned about spellings, and what about grammar? The option is spelling and grammar. See, if you commit any grammatical mistake, it will suggest you with the green color underline. It will show you with a green color underline. What type of word sentence I have to write now? At that yesterday I am writing a letter. Yesterday I am writing a letter. What type of sentence I have to write? A grammatical mistake. 10 dozens grammatical mistake. Grammatical mistake. I were busy yesterday. I were busy yesterday. Why it is not giving any solutions? I were busy yesterday. Uh, mm, var. Okay, I got the suggestion right. Var. See, can you see a blue color double underline? Double blue color underline here. Double blue color underline here. Instead of red underline, first time we are seeing this double blue color underline. If you right click here, it is giving you suggestions like was. I was busy yesterday. I was busy yesterday. Right? This is grammatical. Spelling and grammar. In spelling and grammar, we got a grammatical mistake. Instead of I was busy yesterday, I have written like I were busy yesterday, and immediately it has given a suggestion like instead of was you have placed were. So it is better to replace this word were with was. So immediately I have replaced it. So this is what spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar. And let us see one more important option, that is change case. That is what? Change case. I'm just reducing the zoom. I'm Control A, delete, and here I'm writing some text like some SCAR International School. I'm selecting the text. I'm making it a little bit zoom, and I'm increasing the font size. See, this particular case is called capitalize each word case. Capitalize each word case. The first letter in Samskar, the first letter in international, the first letter in school are capital letters. Now I want to make it everything into, I want to convert everything into capital letters. Capital letters in computer language we call it as uppercase. We call it as uppercase. So here I'm selecting on this change case option. I'm clicking this uppercase. Now everything is capital letters. Now I want to make it in lowercase. Everything is in small letters. I'm selecting this sentence case. The first letter of the sentence is capital and the rest of the letters are small letters. Everything is small except the first letter. Next, capitalize each word. In Samskar, yes. In international, I. In school, yes. These three are capital letters. Each and every word's first letter will be capital letter. And then toggle case means reverse case. Wherever you can find the capital letters, all the capital letters will become small letters and all the small letters will become capital letters now. See, S small letter, I small letter, S small letter, and the rest of the words are capital letters. So this is called what? Toggle case. So sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, and toggle case. So these are the different cases, different cases in MS Word. In most of the cases, 99.99% cases, we'll use this sentence case only. Sentence case is the most frequently used case, right? That's all. The lesson is over, right? Thank you very much.